Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to unbox the June box. So this is the June box from Lefebvre. I wanted to show you how it came packaged this time. So it had one of those plastic envelopes, and then it has this really monstrous bubble wrapping, and then it's in styrofoam. Ooh. And there we go. So, one of my complaints initially was how it was packaged, because before I was getting it just in a plastic envelope in the box like this. So they must have gotten a few complaints because they went extra cautious on that. So that's a good thing. Okay, and I got this box the first week of June, so I don't know if they're just stepping it up or finally figuring out how to ship on time. I got my May box in May. I just ended up not filming it till June, but this one did come the first week of June, so that's really important to note. Okay, so here is the June box theme. Oh, that's so cute. I do love the little themes and colors. I'm a sucker for packaging. Okay, so this is the project. Oh, this is gonna be fun. On the back side is always the link to the project. Ooh. How cuteness. It's like a little wrap for your brushes. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Okay, let's see the brushes we get this month. Instead of fiddling with the package, we get a 6 filbert and a 2 filbert. In the May box we got a 4 filbert. Again, don't pay a ton of attention to size because yeah, they all, every company, brand, whatever, has their own thing. We'll remove this obnoxious stuff. Alright, let's talk paint colors. I forgot to mention this in my May unboxing. When I had done my video of January through April, I had a couple comments about me saying these were like Craftamo watercolors. There is nothing wrong with Craftamo watercolors. They're actually a good paint. They are student grade though, they're not professional grade. And Lefebvre even says these are like Craftamos. So just FYI, I was only explaining the facts, but I wasn't like saying Craftamos are bad. However, what I was saying is that for the price you are paying each month for this subscription, I feel like they should have given us a half pan of artist grade and not Craftamos. Craftamos are great, they're budget friendly, they're affordable, but I mean, for the price you're paying here, I just kind of feel like I would like to see, higher level. That's all I was trying to say. All right, so this month we get quinacridone gold. Ooh. We get Hooker's dark green. I forgot. Do these have the pigment information on them? Yeah, it does. It's in the tiniest writing. Oh, this one doesn't want to come out. Sepia. We're going to do a lot of mixing for this one. And then we have quinacridone magenta. So those are the paint colors. Okay, we got some tracing paper. I'm noticing more and more of these are doing tracing paper and templates, which is okay, but like Lefebvre's style on her channel is loose. She doesn't usually, use templates. This would all be just loosely done with her brushes, straight to paper. That's why I had initially watched her channel, because she paints the way I do, wet to dry. So I do find it interesting, but I can understand. It makes it easier for those who want, crisper lines or just aren't comfortable with the loose. But the only bummer is it's kind of different than her normal style. And then, of course, the package of watercolor paper. It's not Arches. it's an okay-ish paper, but yeah, it's interesting. I do like that they're including some extra goodies now. I think maybe they're trying to make the box a little more worthwhile. I don't know. But I do like the extra goodies. And then of course this project looks pretty fun. So these are going to be peaches, I'm assuming, because of the box. Even though they don't look like peaches on the branch. But, oh, maybe it's supposed to sit like this. That makes more sense. Now they look like peaches hanging from the tree. So yeah, that will be fun. I need to catch up on swatching all of them. So when I unbox the July box, I will show you the full swatches so far, and then we'll actually swatch those colors that day as well. I've just fallen behind, so I wanted to at least unbox it so you knew what was coming up if you planned on getting box number 6. So I guess I will see you when we have our July box. Bye now.